Hello, good morning, friends. How are you all today? Today we will discuss one stock. It's just a setup. It's not a recommendation or something. Just a setup. We will be seeing how this setup is respecting the trend line as of now. So as you all can observe, this is the morning 9:15 candle, and 9:15 candle is looking absolutely strong. From here, it has given just much up momentum till high is 1325. If you just mark it will be easy to okay. And after this it's just kind of a sideways, you can say, or just behaving like a triangle formation. So if this sustains, it can give a good momentum kind of a feature. So if this sustains, so to get this, we have to just make a trend line and see how much it is respecting. If it respects, it will be sustaining. If doesn't respect, it will give a fall. So it's a game of patience. See, trading psychology plays an important role here. The people with strong mindset will be able to hold, but it's not like you have to take a risk and you have to hold it. It's just that you have to understand how much you can take risk. See, this is only for study purpose I am explaining. It's not like I'm giving recommendation to buy this or sell this. Simply I'm telling you psychology plays an important role. First, you have to be very strong in your analysis with your concepts or with your understanding. You have to be strong enough to judge where you have to book the profit or where you have to book the losses, because both are the part of the game. So if you are confident, you can hold it till you feel it's going to sustain or giving you something output. If you feel it's not as per your setup, just book the profit and come out. It's as simple as that. But in the live market, the fear and the greed, both factors affect so much that we are unable to process. So you have to behave robotically, I am telling you, because you see, if you want that your trade should be gone with the AI, then it's a different thing. But if you want to be yourself AI, just be disciplined. If your setup is okay, stay with it. If your setup is not okay, just book the loss and come out. If you book the loss, it's not you are getting defeated by somebody. Don't feel like that. It's just a step. See, everything we learn when we are small, we do baby steps, right? So everything is a step. Just don't feel that you have to, when you entered, you have to come out with the green or you have to be in the profit. It's not practically possible. Even a big traders face losses because that is part of this setup. Out of 10 trades, if your 7 are okay, giving you reasonable amount of output, that is perfect. There's nothing wrong in this. As I always say, nothing is right and wrong in the stock market. It's only the entry and exit. How much percentage of your entries are accurate? How much you are able to understand the situations? How much you are able to grab the losses without any deviation in your mind, without feeling any like guilt. Today I was in loss. And guilt is different, and doing losses on continuous basis is different. If you have been confident with your setup, then you have put a stop loss, is getting it okay. It's not like जबरदस्ती you have to enter and then you have to say okay मैं loss में नहीं जा सकता, I cannot take this. ऐसा नहीं है. It's okay if you enter and you are in red in the losses. It's okay. The same way, if you are entering and you're getting profit, that is also okay, because today if you are getting green, maybe tomorrow you can do any mistakes. So it's just a part. You should not be over excited with the profit, and you should not be over disheartened with the losses. Be stable, calm. Don't take it like a gambling. Take it like a small business which you are doing. You have some amount of money which you have entered in a stock. If you are doing positional swing or intraday or scalping, whichever positions you are, master anyone, okay, and then take the positions and just be as simple as possible. Small entries, small profits come out. When you have become a pro in yourself, make a journal, see it every day, maintain it every day, at least for 6 to 8 months. Just take small steps. When you feel like your setup is perfectly okay, you are satisfied with your entries, your exit, the way you are booking the profit, then you can increase the capital involved. That's it. But to get that level, you have to be very disciplined within yourself. So if you want to learn trading psychology as well as the setup as well as the technicals from zero, if you want to learn, you can contact me. I will be there to guide you, but you have to be very disciplined and confident what you are learning. Okay, so different people have different pace of mind, different setup, how they analyze the thing, where they are more confident, what is their weakness, what is their strength. So each individual has its own journey. So, if you want individually personalized knowledge or personalized learning or that setup, that is also okay. If you want your friends or your colleagues in a group, you want, that is also okay. But you have to come and approach a good day. Okay. So now this setup is just for educational purpose. This is showing you how trend line is being respected. So you can see here it's trying to sustain above the trend line. But will it be able to? That only the time will tell. It's a very small time frame of 3 minutes I have put in front of you. Okay. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can just write your questions. You can directly message it. It will be easy for me to answer. Any other ideas? Anything you want to ask systematically or you want to discuss something? You are free to share your views. Yes, sometimes very small steps will help you take the bigger leap. Okay. So first you have to be very careful with your learning. That learning journey has to be little tough because you have to you have to show your full discipline in that. स्मॉल स्ट्रेटजी आ गई, एक दिन उससे प्रॉफिट हुआ, देन यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग लाइक आई हैव मास्टर्ड एवरीथिंग. इट्स नॉट सो easy. Be slow and steady. Slow and steady wins the race is exactly what happens. You have to understand. Take small steps and then it will be more comfortable for you as well to be in the system. See, market is not going to go anywhere. You have to be there in the system. So for that you have to work hard. Market is already the way it is, it will be the same. You have to work hard to sustain in it. Okay. Still it is in a sideways. It's just hovering around that level. Neither it's giving a breakdown or breakout, both. So just patiently you have to wait. If in any point somebody has entered, just in case, you have to be very strong with your stop losses. And if you want that, uh, you want to book the profit, then you just mind the levels, and there you can. But you have to first learn what is happening. It's simply respecting the trend line, is hovering around that, is just in a sideways. Let's see how many minutes more it behaves the same way. This is a 3 minute time frame. So each and every 3 minute candle is giving you one lesson. We'll wait again for few more minutes. Okay. See, if you understand the setup properly, understand the details properly, it's very easy for you to maintain the balance. Okay? It's just you have to be strong within your mindset. Okay? Anything else you have doubt or you want to discuss? The low it has made as of now, if you want to check. Till here it has done, and after that this and this is the starting point. So it's your way of analyzing how the things will work. If you are okay, you can continue with it. If you are not okay, just close the trade and come out. No, I'm not saying to take it, I'm telling you how to perform it. Understood? Okay. 51 seconds more left for this. It's not going up, it's not going down, it's just sideways. If you change the time frame, for example, if you change to 5 minutes, you can see the same situation. And if you go to 15 minutes, it's more clearly. It's all within the candles, is trying to maintain the positions. If you remove these trend lines, you can easily remove them. But if you maintain with the trend line, or like make a trend line and then analyze, then you will get little more clarity. Or you can do like this also. If you have like this, if you make, it is also a way to check in for intraday level actually. This is 15 minutes. In 4 minutes 41 seconds, this 15 minutes, one more candle will be closed. So from 9:45, it gave a good breakout, this 10 o'clock breakout, and from 10:15, 10:30, and 10:45 is right now 10:55. So after 5 minutes ago, this candle will be closed. And if you increase the time frame to 30 minutes, this is first 30 minutes, second 30 minutes, third and fourth. If you go for hourly, all the time frames can be. This is the first hour breakout, then second, and then you will see more hours, yeah, 6 hours market. So again we'll go back to our 3 minutes because that gives us very nice and clear result. More 37 seconds more for this 3-minute candle to close. The same way you can analyze different positions. Okay. Let's check meanwhile some other. Okay, let's check some of the other ones. Our India is doing absolutely fine. Hitachi. It was given a breakout and it went up. Okay. This is also the same. Yeah, Power India nicely gave a breakout. check some other, like for example, if you check Nifty 50, how is working today, because today Nifty is expiry, so it will be full moments in both the directions for the intraday traders and obviously for the scalpers as well. So this is the opening of 9:15 today was here. This is 3-minute chart. Okay, this is 9:15. Right, that's fine. From here it gave a dip and now it's going up. Okay, Nifty is, this is nice fall of Nifty today till here, and now it's reversing. This is a next resistance. Let it cross this, then we see how it behaves. It's coming down. This is the low. This 120.1.70. Okay, ideally it has broken the trend line, so setup is coming downward. So if person is in the trade, he or she, if he is having a trend line setup, he should definitely close the position, because the one time you may get by luck in a different way the profit, but don't make it a kind of a practice, because someday it can give a big effect, negative side. So better to be in a sensible area, stabilized concept, stabilized energy, using every day, so that you can have a greater amount of satisfaction with yourself as you are working fine with yourself. Okay, so let's close the session today, and do let me know if you have any doubts or any queries. You can just contact directly, you can message, and we will discuss accordingly. No problem. Stay happy, stay confident to learn, and believe in yourself. Okay, thank you everyone.